So here's my new toy garbage truck. It's a bruder truck. I'm gonna try to get it out. Let's see if we can get it out. I'm gonna just try to cut some of that box out. I can't. So I have to rip that up. So now we're gonna try to get it out. Let's see how we can get it out. So we got it loose. Now let's see if we can get it.
Are you recording?
Yeah. So now let's see if we can get it out. So I got it out. Now let's see the truck. Here's the truck. There's the back. Here are the cans that came with it. Try to see how to use this. So to quench the stuff, you just do that. And the back opens. To use that, you put the trash can right there on the back of the truck. Wait. Now let's put it right here. And now we'll open the lids and lift it. And there's how you use the truck.
Reese did that.
No, I did not do that.
Yes,
I
no,
didn't.
Really? Then who did it?
Mama did it. I did not do that.
Yeah, Reese did it.
I did not do it.
How you can do that? Oh no, I say how you can.